So I was staying in Banaras for a while before the shoot. You know, my parents were like, "You have to get married now. अभी शादी करनी है. Deal with the kitchen." And I was like, "That's such a bad thought." जो हम फिल्म अभी बना रहे हैं वो बनारस पे है. पढ़ाना लड़कियों को या लड़कों को बहुत जरूरी है. प्रॉब्लम इस चीज में आई है कि लड़कियों को रोका जा रहा है. Kashi Vishwanath is beautiful. Hi guys, this is Kashika Kapoor here and you're watching me on Bazooka.
नमस्ते नमस्कार मैं हूं विदेश सिंह और आप देख रहे हैं बज़ूका एंड टुडे वी हैव अ रियली स्पेशल ब्यूटीफुल गेस्ट विद अस सो मैं बात कर रही हूं आयुष्मती गीता मैट्रिक पास की लीड एक्ट्रेस कशिका कपूर सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वेलकम टू बज़ूका
Thank you so much for having me. Hi guys.
सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट टू नो कि यू नो आयुष्मती गीता ने तो मैट्रिक पास कर ही ली बट आपकी मैट्रिक कब पास हुई थी
I'm 23 now, so of course, like 7 years back. Yeah.
वेल टेल मी द रीजन दैट आपने इस स्टोरी को हाँ कहा एंड हाउ यू गॉट शॉर्टलिस्ट फॉर दिस
So basically, it started off with actually, it's a very lovely story if I begin to tell you. So, my director told me this. He said that Kashika, I was actually not going to come to your house, but destiny made us meet. So, what had happened was there was this shoot for Ferns and Petals. तो एक Ferns and Petals का shoot घर पे ही हो रहा था, and director पहुंच गए. मतलब he came before time actually, and I got to know later. I was shooting for something else, and I came home, and he's like, "Yaar, I found my Geeta," and I'm like, "Geeta." And then he told me, "Can I narrate a story to you?" And I was like, "Yeah, go for it." And he's like, "I've been looking for a girl for the past 1 year, one and more, I think." And he couldn't find anyone. And he was like, "You are fitting into this character, and you are my Geeta." And that really touched me because it's such a strong character. Little did I know that Geeta is going to be such a strong character, because I just heard the name, but I had the narration take place, of course, post that.
स्टोरीज
So, yeah, the story as well, and I'm very, very grateful because that's how they say, na luck. He was at home, he saw me shooting, and he took my audition. And you won't believe the audition happened 4 months after the Ferns and Petals shoot. So, not even at that time. Matlab 4 mahine baad. And I happened to crack it by God's will. So, yeah, I'm very grateful.
वेल टेल मी अबाउट अ बिट ऑफ स्टोरी बिकॉज हमने देखा कि जो गीता है उनकी कहीं ना कहीं एक दिखाया जाता है कि प्यार होता है जो ससुराल वाले हैं वो कहीं ना कहीं कहते हैं कि लड़की को हम मतलब चाहते हैं लेकिन लड़की पढ़ना चाहती है तो अबाउट दैट अ बिट ऑफ स्टोरी वी वांट टू नो
So I was staying in Banaras for a while before the shoot, right? To understand the lives of the women there. Because I'm doing a movie on them, right? It was a Banarasi film, if you go to see. We shot the entire bit in Banaras. So there was this lady, we were shooting in her house, and I met her a couple times before, and we used to talk a lot, and she speaks so fluently. And I was like, "Why did you stop with your education?" And she said that I did my basic and matlab not even proper basic. She just stopped with her education. So I said, "Why? What happened?" She's like, "Yeah, my parents were like, you have to get married now. अभी शादी करनी है, and बाद में father-in-law बोलेगा कि नहीं ये सब मत करना. He should not, the guy should not divorce you thinking that yeah she wants to work while a woman is known to stay at home and deal with the kitchen." And I was like, "That's such a bad thought." And then I happened to see her father-in-law there. एंड आई टोल्ड हिम, आई सेड, "अंकल, वी आर मेकिंग अ फिल्म, जो हम फिल्म अभी बना रहे हैं वो बनारस पे है ज़्यादा करके, एंड ऑफ कोर्स हर लड़की के लिए जो लड़ रही है आज, टू गेट एजुकेटेड, बिकॉज दे डोंट हैव दैट प्रिविलेज, दे कांट गेट एजुकेटेड, दे आर स्कैर्ड. सो आई वांटेड टू बी द वॉइस फॉर देम. So I told uncle, I said, "Uncle, ऐसे ऐसे है." And he understood. He told me, I told him, हम जो फिल्म बना रहे हैं इसी के लिए बना रहे हैं कि पढ़ाना लड़कियों को या लड़कों को बहुत ज़रूरी है. बट यहाँ पर प्रॉब्लम इस चीज़ में आई है कि लड़कियों को रोका जा रहा है. Right? And that's what we are emphasizing on, even in the film. So it's about, how I told him that how important knowledge is, because knowledge is power. How do you expect her to look after your family or go face the world if she's not educated only? Basics, right? So he understood and he was like, "Yeah," and she wanted to go and further study. So I hope that happens because we did meet, the whole family met, and he was really, really interested and invested in this topic. So I was like, "Okay, great, I think it'll work out for the best for me." So
हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस इन बनारस बिकॉज आप बनारस गए थे एंड यू नो द ब्यूटी ऑफ
beautiful. Beautiful. Matlab, Kashi Vishwanath is beautiful. Little did I know that I'm going and I'm actually completing the dham. Matlab, I'm starting with it because they say it's one of the dhams. So I started with that and I was so happy. It's like I'm just imagine I'm starting a film, the biggest move, and the biggest step in my career, with the blessings, from with blessings from Kashi Vishwanath, and nothing could get better than that. Because imagine starting off with one dham while doing the biggest thing in your life, right? So it was huge for me. I attended the Ganga Aarti almost all the time, and I at least managed to, attend the Ganga Aarti. So whenever we were shooting, we were also shooting in the Ganga Aarti and stuff like that, during those hours. So yeah, it's pretty good.
So, how was the experience with your co-actors?
We had a great time. Oh, we had a great time because Anuj and I, both of us love chai. So we were always like having chai and, doing gupshup. And I'm like, yeah, it's fun. And of course, we got along so well. He's a lovely boy and lovely team. And, we all have worked very, very hard towards this. And it's teamwork at the end of the day. So it's about really, really working towards that one goal and making it happen. And the fact that, we had that film release is the biggest win for us. So, yeah.
Because sometimes it's like कि nowadays we can see this thing कि theater तक भी आना भी बहुत बड़ी
बड़ी बात है. वही मैं बोल रही हूँ, लोगों की फिल्म में शेल्व हो रही है, रिलीज नहीं हो रही है. So many of my friends, they've shot for a film and it's gone. And investors saying now I can't put in. So it's just that, I'm very thankful. I've been lucky that way, and I really thank my stars that everything's worked out for the best.
Well, अगर हम बात करें any incident it's like आपके साथ में हुआ while shooting, कुछ ऐसा जो काफ़ी unique, काफ़ी अच्छा था, जो एक beautiful memories आपके लिए create कर
From Geeta, yes. I think something unique would be that a girl who's a Mumbai girl, like that typical Bombay girl who is just chilling in life, who is wearing pajamas and nice glamorous clothes, and now she has to go and wear Indian kurtis and saris all day. And I was like, okay, that was one move, which is good. Because I know that movie has so much of my Indian in it that now if any director was to see me in India, I can be like, sir, please watch this film. But also the lifestyle. Because we're so used to, being pampered kids that we are brought up in such a way. And, then you realize that when you go to Banaras and you go to such areas, that the life they live is not easy. It's so different from our life. I remember our hotel also where we were staying, it was one of the best hotels. But kya kare, unki best bhi utni hi hoti hai. Matlab वैसी ही होती है. You're understanding? Like, you have to, of course, sacrifice your way of living, which is the beauty of it. You get to learn so much, you're moved, right? And so are people around you moved. And I think things that really get me to get out of my comfort zone is what, like something that's challenging, is what gives me happiness and makes me feel like, okay, I have done something. Because you have to do challenging things. You have to do something that will get you out of your normal zone. It has to feel uncomfortable. Then you know that, okay, you've, cracked that.
Well, I want to ask a new question for you that गीता और कशिका में कोई एक चीज़ जो सिमिलैरिटी what do you feel?
I think her innocence and her love for her family and for Anuj's family, like Kundan's family. Because what happens is that I think that's one thing in me, because even in the future, I know I'll always be that way. That's just me. I've just been, I think life is to love and to be loved. It's about that. So I am someone who can give a lot of love and who also knows how to take love from people. Like my pet. But I think that's just how I am, who I am. So I think that makes up for most of it. Yeah, sure.
सो लाइक इफ़ आई से कि ये जो स्टोरी है वो काफ़ी इंस्पायरिंग है एंड लोगों को कहीं ना कहीं एक लेसन भी देती है, बट डू यू रियली थिंक कि लोगों का जो नज़रिया आज भी गांव के इलाके इन विलेज साइड पे है, एक ऑर्थोडॉक्स है कि औरतों को पढ़ने भी नहीं देते एंड जस्ट फॉरगेट अबाउट द जॉब्स, तो व्हाट डू यू वांट टू से ऑन दिस?
आई थिंक देखो, ये हो रहा है, काफ़ी एरियाज़ में हो रहा है अभी. जैसे मैंने आपसे कहा कि बनारसी एरिया में तो हो ही रहा है, right? So in a lot of these areas, the backward thought still exists that नहीं यार, नहीं पढ़ाना है लड़कियों को, let them just चूल्हा चौका करने दो उनको, which you remember Alka ma'am's words in the film कि चूल्हा चौका करने के लिए बिठाया. It's in the trailer as well. So I think it is true. It is true because it is happening. People need to change their way of looking at things, at people. Times are changing. It's no more that way, and it should never have been that way. But because now people have more access to knowledge, right? You can get educated. Back in the days, there were not so many options, but today you have so many options available. Just let them go through it. Let them get into institutes, let them get into universities, colleges, let people get educated, and women especially, right? Because it's very important, because if you want them today, you say that yeah, they are not fighting for their right. How will they if you don't get them educated? Because knowledge is power. Tomorrow if they have to talk in court or anywhere, if something has happened, right, how will they fight for themselves when they don't know how to get access to it? And the only access is books, knowledge, and general knowledge. Not just even about, it's not even about history, geography, it's about general knowledge, so I think that's important. Yeah.
वेल यू नो हम अगर बात करें मैट्रिक पास की, सो जो आयुष्मती गीता का कैरेक्टर है, उनको उसको मतलब उस कैरेक्टर में जान डालने के लिए what you had done, I mean कुछ ऐसा करना पड़ा, anything that you found very much a bit of struggle
Like
one या फिर
different. No, yeah, I think, see, like you asked me that what is similar between you and Geeta. I think the innocence, of course, the loving nature of hers, and also she's very courageous.
about any languages का कुछ problem ऐसा आया?
नहीं 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 accent तो of course होता है, but they didn't want that in the film. They were not looking at that. They were looking at the story being put out there in the right way. It's not about the accent, it's more to do with the content, right? So I think the fact that Geeta was so courageous and she fought for her rights, I'd do that as Kashika, not even as Geeta, but the fact that I think I had to live the life of a Banarasi girl, that was challenging. That was something that, I really loved, because I love taking up challenges. I don't want to do something that's the ordinary, right? But this was extraordinary to live that life, because I remember we were shooting straight for like a good, 30 days? We were shooting, yeah, straight. So I was there, my parents accompanied me, and I saw the life of, Banarasi people. So that was different, because you're so used to this Bombay life, and then you're switching to a village life. Then you understand that, okay, there's this difference, but you also understand to value their life, because you understand that things are not easier for them. There's so much more access to things here where we are living, but there it's very limited. So there are different things, yeah.
Well, can you tell me the 2 reasons that people should watch this movie?
आयुष्मती गीता मैट्रिक पास गिव्स अ ब्यूटिफुल मैसेज, कि बेटियों को पढ़ाने से ही आप बेटियों को बचा पाओगे. इट्स बेटी पढ़ाओ बेटी बचाओ, right? So education is very important. That's one reason. Secondly, for the beauty of Banaras, because it's so beautiful, and I've seen so many foreigners coming there for Ganga Aarti, for our beautiful Kashi Vishwanath. So I think the beauty of Banaras, and the best part is just sitting during the Ganga Aarti and just witnessing the beauty there. You feel like everything is so divine. Right, it's so beautiful. And also, of course, the content, the story, like I said, it's based on something that people have forgotten to throw light on. I think it's important to throw light on such issues, because ye ho rahe. Aisa nahi hai ki content based, you just didn't go to the theater to watch something and come home, not having anything in your mind. You came back home with a story that you carried in your heart, and you said, I'm going to be very mindful now, and I'm going to make sure to make correct decisions when it comes to my daughters in the future. Or when it comes to my mother, when it comes to my sister. It can be anyone, right? Chahe wo maa ho, beti ho, behan ho. It's about getting educated at any time. There's nothing, there's no specific age.
वेल जैसे कि आयुष्मती गीता गीता कहीं ना कहीं लोगों को इंस्पायर कर रही है. सो कशिका क्या करेंगी? I mean, अगर एक मैसेज देना होगा फॉर वुमेन्स.
I think, guys, just be fire, be fearless, be yourself, be authentic, and just show up. Just do what you wish to do and what you feel like doing. Don't listen to anyone, and don't stop yourself from doing something just because you feel that you got to listen to somebody. Don't do it. Follow your dreams, follow your passion, and really, really do whatever you do with your heart and excel in life. I think that's more important.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. वेल मैं आपसे ये भी जानना चाहूँगी कि आफ्टर यू नो दिस आयुष्मती गीता के बाद हम कुछ और देख सकते हैं कशिका को?
So my film released actually, this Tollywood film. It's called LYF. It released in March. So that did really good for me. And then I have a couple more South films in the pipeline. I can't really speak much about it, but it's coming because obviously it's supposed to be kept under wraps. But there's so much more coming, and I'm sure it's going to be worth the wait.
For your fans who are really loving you.
Guys, I love you so much. Please keep showering all of your love upon me, and I promise to keep entertaining you with very good content always, and to keep loving you first. Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so much for having me. Had a great one. Thank you.